Hey y'all, welcome back to the Nina and B show. Okay, I'm Nina. This is B. No. This is B. B can't be with us today, but that's okay, guys. That means you guys get to be with me all day today. Today, I have a very exciting video to bring out for you all today. So I am planning on moving and I am looking for my high-rise condo or apartment. I am going to be taking you all on a luxury condo tour. That's right, I said it. We're going to where the money reside. Okay, so let's go where the money reside. Where the money reside. But first, let me call B and see if she can come with us. All right, guys, we're gonna call B and see if B can come with us. Okay.
Hello.
Hey B.
Hey, what's up?
Nothing. Can you say hi to our YouTube channel?
Hey, YouTube family.
Can you say okay?
Okay.
So we was going
right now, so I do apologize.
That's okay. We're going on the luxury tour, the condo tour, and we wanted to know if he was going to come with us or not.
Well, I'm not gonna be able to be there because I'm at work right now, but I will be there in spirit.
All right, guys. Say bye to B. B, say bye.
Bye.
So guys, yeah, B cannot come with us because she's at work, but that's okay. We will, like she said, she'll be with us in spirit. If you're ready to go on this tour with me and to see, let's go. I'll see you there. All right, y'all, let's get right into it. So this is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, high-rise condo. This is the first bedroom, guys. Look at the view. I'm not going to talk through the entire video. I just want you to take in all the feels that I was feeling when I was there. And I'll come back in and out to chime in. And this right here to your left will be the guest bathroom. Enjoy. Wanted to come in and show you this balcony view, and we're gonna get right into the skyline view, guys. Oh my god, when I say a view, it's the view for me, y'all. It is the view for me. Look at this. Imagine waking up to this every morning, you know. So just keep watching, y'all. It gets better. Alright, y'all, we are about to enter the master bedroom. This is where the sun comes up in the morning. Can you imagine, y'all? Just waking up and seeing the sun, guys. And right here to your right is a small little closet, and to your left, it'll be a bigger closet. Okay, that's the master closet. And then we're going to go into the bathroom, the his and her sink. So you see that mirror? And we got to pause right here real quick. The stand-up shower and the tub, romantic nights. Just imagine it, sis. Just imagine it. And we're going to go right back and see that there's a little toilet in a cut. And I like that it's in a cut. And right here is the hallway entering back into the kitchen. The marble countertops, y'all. It's a feel. Thank you so much for watching this video. This tour was everything. I love you all. Stay tuned for the next video.